Good morning, my grade 4 pupils.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, remain standing so that let us start our day with a prayer. Amen. Before you take your seat, please arrange your chairs properly. Okay, so based from my seat plan, I am glad that you are all present today. So before we start our lesson today, I have 3 rules for you to follow. The first one is just raise your right hand if you want to say something or if you want to go outside. Understand? And the second one is listen carefully. When I am talking in front or when I am discussing, you must listen carefully. And the third one is cooperate. Later on, we will have a group activity, and I want you to cooperate with each other. Understood, class? So, last meeting, we have discussed about the importance of reading product level. Am I right, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so I have prepared a short activity here. I will call some student based on my seat plan. Then he or she will come in front to answer my question. This is a mystery cup. When I call your name based from the seat plan, you will come in front to answer this question. Okay, Jemima?
So the question, teacher, is why is it important to read the ingredients list on a food level? Teacher, it is very important to read the ingredients list on a food level for us to know the taste of the food.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, teacher.
I am glad that you still remember our topic last meeting. So class, today we are having another activity. I have here a scissor and a bottle. I want you to observe what I am doing. Understood, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, class, what have you observed from this bottle?
Teacher, naging maganda siya at natapalan yung cut bottle.
Okay. Anong pwedeng magamitan nito?
Guro, pwede siyang gawing pagmulaan iti babasit nga mula, may sapay kat aramiden nga artiti balay.
Yes. But this one, we make it into a pen holder.
Wow,
Ganito
teacher.
siya. So, ano ang napansin nyo dito? Dito sa bottles. Is it good or bad?
Good, teacher.
Yes, it's good. And I have here another Um, a piece of paper and a lighter. I want you to observe what I am doing in front. Understood, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. But in using lighter, huwag niyong kakahawakan. Kasi magkakaroon kayo ng sugat. Masusunog ang mga kamay niyo. Naintindihan ba?
Opo, guro.
Okay, so observe carefully, class.
Teacher, umapuiso na.
Yes. I want you to observe kung ano ang mangyayari dito sa papel na to.
Teacher, naging abo.
Oo, naging abo.
Teacher, dasok na.
Yes, at dasok na.
Nag-angot ba?
Oo, nag-angot. Dito angot na may kan mabaling tayo magala-agalaan ti sakit. So nga ngayon nga gangangot ti kastoywan.
Yes, guro. Thank you.
So, ano ang na-observe nyo dito sa papel na to?
Guro, nag-black.
Yes, nag-black. So, is this good or bad?
Teacher, bad yan kasi nagsusunog ka ng papel.
Oh, very good. So, class, why do we need to burn? Ano sa tingin nyo?
Guro, bad yung nagbe-burn.
Bad ang burn. But some people are burning their garbage. Pero bawal yun. Naintindihan ba?
Yes, teacher.
So, na-enjoy nyo ba ang activity natin?
Opo, guro. Ang ganda.
Okay. So, for you to better understand, I will present pictures. This one, ano to, class?
Guro, may mga plastic sa tubig, guro.
Is this good or bad?
Bad po yan, teacher.
Okay. Ano naman ito?
Teacher, planting trees. The children are planting trees.
Yes, planting trees. Is planting trees good or bad to our environment?
Teacher, that's good.
Yes. Planting of trees can produce oxygen for us to breathe.
Yes, teacher. At yung plant, teacher, ay may mga plant din nga nagbabagas tikwa. Prutas.
Yes. Tapos yung prutas, isunod lang di kankanin tayo. Nga nutrition na.
Yes,
Nyo?
teacher.
So, how about this one?
Wow, teacher. Mga plastic na may mga bulaklak.
Nakikita niyo ba ito, class?
Yes, teacher.
Itong plastic ay nagawa ng flower pot. Maganda ba siya?
Yes, teacher, kasi colorful rin.
Yes. So, is the plastic turning into a flower pot good or bad?
Very good, teacher.
Yes, very good. So, how about this one?
Teacher, burning. They are burning a lot of garbage.
Yes, burning of garbages. Is this good to our environment?
No, teacher.
Yes, this is not good to our environment. So, for today, we will be discussing about the changes that are useful and changes that are harmful. So, Jemima, can you come in front and help me? before we go on to our topic, I will present first our objectives today. So, objective letter A, you, my pupils, will identify the changes of materials, whether useful and harmful to the environment. And you will create a materials that is useful to the environment. And you will suggest some ways of preventing, minimizing the harm effect of changes in the materials to the environment. Understood, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. The first one is, we will discuss the harmful changes to the environment. Ano sa tingin niyo ang mga harmful sa ating environment?
Pagsusunog, teacher.
Okay, ano pa?
Pagkakat ng mga trees.
Yes, very good. So, the harmful effect, harmful change of the materials in our environment are the dumping of garbage, cutting down of trees, burning of garbage. So, when we dump garbage in the land or the bodies of water, it can cause land and water pollution. This can release toxic and compounds that kill plants and aquatic animals. So, hindi dapat tayo nagbabasura sa mga ilog o sa mga ating kapaligiran. Naintindihan ba?
Opo, guro. Pati rin sa ocean, teacher, kasi masisira yung mga mga living things sa ocean.
Yes, very good. And cutting down of trees. When we cut down trees, it can cause flooding, soil erosion, increased greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, and others. So, ang pagka-cut down ng trees ay ano ang mangyayari kapag napuputol tayo ng puno?
Ma-flood tayo, teacher. Mga
Yes.
landslide. Parang ganun, teacher.
At mawawalan ng mga bahay ang mga ibon.
Opo, guro.
At ang huli ay ang burning of garbage. So, when we burn our garbage like plastic and rubber, it creates an air pollution that can harm human health and the environment. Ang pagsusunog daw ng mga garbage ay magkakaroon daw tayo ng health problem. Gusto nyo ba yun?
No, teacher.
No. So, hindi dapat tayo nagsusunog ng mga basura. Naintindihan ba?
Opo, guro. Guro, narinig ko rin na pag nagsusunog raw tayo ng mga garbage, yung asukit, paabutan na kamo dyan ozone layer tayo.
Yes, mabutan dyan ozone layer tayo. Kat dyan may direct iti skin tayo, tas ma-burn tayo. Kaya nyo ba diyay?
Teacher.
Okay, so ano yung burn the garbage well?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so let us proceed on the useful change in our environment. So, the useful change are, ano sa tingin nyo ang mga changes na useful sa ating environment?
Pag-plant ng trees, teacher.
Ano pa?
Ginagawang palamuti yung mga plastic bottle natin, teacher, katulad ng paggawa ng plastic, teacher, para gumawa ng lanterns.
Very good. I have here a pictures for you to better understand. Ano ang nakikita niyo dito?
Halaman, teacher.
Halaman. So, the useful changes in the materials in our environment is the recycling and up-recycling. Itong gulong ng sasakyan ay nirecycle nila para pagmulaan iti trees. Nagmet, di ba?
When, guro?
How about this one?
Pungan!
O, pungan. Dagiti old clocks tayo, Michael, mabalin nga, maaramid nga pungan. Anya pa'y?
Pungan... Kwa, teacher?
Anya na kwa?
Pang-adulti kwa. Ibon, jay kwa na ganyan.
Bagay.
When, teacher?
O, tapos mga anda, ibusin din bagay tayo.
Yes, teacher.
And the next one is planting of vegetables. This one. Planting of vegetables in our vacant lot. Ay, aramihan nyo madlang ba kastoy? Aramihan ba ti parents yo?
When, teacher, dupay timula mi di talikod mi nga kwa. Tarong, papait, nyapay, papaya, and even wokbok, teacher.
Wow, ang ganda naman. Kapag may vacant lot kayo, pwede kayong magtanim ng mga gulay. And the next one is the planting of trees. Ito. Ano sa tingin nyo ang mangyayari kapag when we plant trees?
Teacher, kwa. Hantay yung may busanti oxygen.
Yes! Hantayo nga maibusan ti oxygen, ken adupay ti angin nga maiproduce na, ken adapay pagbalayan ti dagijay
Animals.
animals.
Like birds.
Isupay ti usaran tayo no agaramit tayo ti balay. But when we cut trees, like when we plant trees, dagijay i-cut tayo, may cut dagijay old nga trees nga rami din tayo iti balay. Tayo nga ag-cut iti dagijay naganos nga trees. Nawatan yo?
Yes, teacher.
And the next one is applying the 5 R's. Ano yung dagijay 5 R's class?
Teacher, reuse, reduce, recycle, and hangko mo dyan duwa, teacher.
Okay, reuse, reduce, recycle, rot, and repair.
Anya di may sa teacher, rap?
Rot class.
Okay.
R-O-T. Ito, may 5 hours ba kayo sa bahay ninyo? May basurahan ba kayong ganito?
Teacher, ada.
Very good. Nung basura tayo, arami din tayo dyan 5 hours. Tapos makatulong iti environment tayo. Nawatan nyo?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. And the next one is cutting of pieces of wood to make a furniture. This one. These pieces of wood, we can make a chair, a table out of it. So that tagalay nagkaiwala nga kayo, ijay balayo, kaanyo nga, aramirin nga pagsumulod. Kasi, ano ti mausaran na, balo nga mausar iti tugaw, table, ken, cabinet. Nawatan yo?
When teacher, kasla di balay, amin na nagbusaran ni kinaramid ni Papa.
Yes,
Sing
very
good.
good. Ang ganda naman ng bahay niyo kung ganun.
Yes, teacher.
So, the next one is for you to better understand, I have here, for you to better understand our topic, we will have an activity. But do you have any question on our topic, class?
Nothing, teacher.
Na, wala. So, may short activity tayo. So, Jemima, can you come in front and answer this one?
Anong gagawin, teacher?
Okay. In this box, write the human activities shown in this picture. And in this box, write if it is useful or harmful. And in this effect in the environment, you will write what effect in the environment about this picture.
Okay, teacher. Teacher, tapos na.
Thank you. Sino pa ang gustong sumagot? Gusto niyo bang sumagot? Sino pa?
Ayun.
This number 2 picture. Can you come in front and answer this one? Okay, thank you, Althea. You may now take your seat. Okay, sino pa ang gustong sumagot? Yes, Mir, can you come in front and answer this number 3? Ang galing naman ni Mir. Okay, thank you. You may now take your seat. Okay, can we see these answers of your classmate if it is correct? So this picture number 1, the human activities shown in the picture is cutting down of trees. So is cutting down of trees useful or harmful to our environment?
Ay, harmful, teacher.
Harmful. So what affects the cutting down of trees in our environment?
Flooding, teacher. Napakwan pa
Yes,
tayo.
very good, flooding. And this picture number 2, it shows the planting of trees. So, is the planting of trees useful or harmful?
Useful, teacher.
Yes, very good. So, what is the effect in our environment?
It produces the oxygen, teacher.
Yes, very good. It produces oxygen. So, in this picture number 3, ano ang nakikita nyo dito?
Burning of garbage, teacher.
Burning of garbage. Burning of garbage, it is useful or harmful to our
Harmful.
environment?
Harmful, teacher.
Harmful, very good. So, what effect in the environment can the burning of garbage bring?
Air pollution.
Okay, very good. Mukhang alam nyo at naintindihan nyo ang topic natin ngayon. So, I have prepared here an group activity. So, in the group 1, group 1 is you will describe what changes can bring to the environment and why. I-describe nyo kung ano ang maitutulot ng mga picture na ito sa ating environment. Naintindihan ba?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. So, this is for the group 1. And for the group 2, the direction for the group 2 is compose a short song on how to minimize the harm effect of change in the environment. Ang gagawin nyo ay mag-compose kayo ng short song kung paano i-minimize ang harm effect ng changes sa ating environment.
Yes,
So, this is for the
teacher.
group 2. And for the group 3, the direction for the group 3 is recycle the given materials to make something new. I will give you a materials and you will make it a useful. Understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so this is for the group 3. But before we start, this is our rubrics for you to follow. The first one is correctness, cooperation, discipline, and time frame. I will give you 5 points for the correction if your answers are all correct. And I will give you 4 points if the answers if the 2 answers are not correct. And I will give you 3 points if the 3 or more answers are not correct. And for the cooperation, I will give you 5 points if I see you all members are actively participating. And I will give you 4 points if one of the members are not actively participating. And I will give you 3 points if the 2 or more of the members are not actively participating. And for the discipline, I will give you 5 points if all the members are disciplined. And 4 points if one of the members are not disciplined. And 3 points if 2 or more members are not disciplined. And for the time frame, I will give you 5 points if you submit your work before time. And I will give you 4 points if you will submit your work 1 minute of the allotted time. And I will give you 3 points if you submit your work 2 minutes after the allotted time. So you may now start your group activity. And I will give you 5 minutes to do that. Okay. I'm glad that you did all your activities in 5 minutes. So let us see the answers of the group 1. Kindly read this one, class.
Describe what change can I bring to the environment and why?
Okay, so anong picture ito?
Garbage.
Yes.
Garbage can.
Can you read this one, the answer of the group 1?
It
It
is
is very useful because it can make our surroundings to be clean and healthy for us human.
And how about this picture too?
dangerous, teacher.
Dangerous. This picture is throwing garbage in the body of the water and in the land. So the changes it brings to the environment is dangerous because it can make our surrounding to be healthy and full of
Any
bacteria that can make us people sick. So
teacher, ang galing mong sumagot.
very good. The group 1, I will give them 20 points because they all cooperate. The answers are all correct. And they submitted their work in the time. I will give them 20 points. For the group 2, can you read this one, group 2?
Compose a
Short song on how to minimize the harm effect of changes in the environment. Educate.
Can any member of the group will come and sing this one?
Teacher,
Compose.
can we sit here and
No.
just sing?
Come in front, Jemima.
Okay.
And sing this song that you composed.
Okay, teacher. Educate, advocate, speak up and share. Take the one for all to care. Let's be the change, the future repair. For a healthy planet, let's all be aware.
Give me 5 claps! Ang ganda naman ng pinumpos nilang song. So, for the group 2, because they cooperate with each other and ginawa nila ng tamang oras, I will give them 20 points. And for the group 3, can you read this, group 3?
Recycle the given materials to make something new.
Okay. A while ago, I gave you an empty bottle. So, can anyone in the member?
Teacher.
Front
Teacher,
and present your work?
this is our work. So since our topic is about garbage, is gumawa kami ng facing holder para dito nilalagay yung mga
Very good. Thank you. So, for the group 3, because they cooperate with each other and pass their work in the given time, I will give them 20 points.
Yes, teacher.
So, all of you got 20 points. So, what do we do to prevent the effect in the changes in materials? Class? Ano ang gagawin natin to prevent the harm effect of changes in the materials? Yung napag-aralan natin kanina.
Teacher, wow, magmula tayo, iti-trees.
Yes, agmula it trees, and we should practice the proper dispose our waste, and we should not burn our garbage.
Yes, teacher.
Class, do you think that segregating and not burning our garbage important in our daily life?
Yes, it's very important.
Yes. Why would you say so?
Dahil na makakaiwas tayo sa mga sakit na dala ng mga bakterya na galing sa mga ginagawa nating harmful.
Yes, very good. So, class, do you have a proper garbage disposal at home?
Yes, teacher, we do.
Yes, very good. So, what have we learned?
Teacher, we learned that dapat nating alagaan ang ating surrounding. Huwag tayong magsunog. Agmula tayo iti trees, can panunutan tayo nga tiyang aramidan tayo, kat mabaling nga makaharm iti human, and ti pagpagyanan tayo metlang.
Yes, very good. So, what are the changes that are harmful to our environment? Ano yung mga harmful sa ating environment?
Teacher, burning, cutting of trees,
Cutting of trees.
teacher, pagtatapon ng mga basura sa karagatan, at iba pa, teacher.
Yes, very good. And what do we do to prevent those harm effects?
Don't do, huwag tayong gagawa ng ikakasira
Kakasira ng
ating environment.
very good. Mukhang naintindihan nyo ang topic natin. So, ngayon, I will give you an individual activity. So, in this direction, Write true if the statement is true and write false if the statement is false. And in the type B or the letter B, the direction is identify the following changes that will happen in each activity or situation. Write whether they are useful or harmful in our environment. So, ang isusulat nyo lang dito sa letter A, true or false. At saka sa letter B, you will write it whether useful or harmful. I will give you 3 minutes to finish your activity. Okay, so at the count of 5, all papers should be in front. 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you. Mukhang alam nyo mukhang naintindihan nyo ang topic natin. So, before we go, you will have an additional activities at home. So the direction is make a useful material using an empty bottle or cartoons and pass it on Wednesday. Understood, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, kindly stand up. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye,
ma'am.
teacher.
Goodbye, classmate.